f-550 1999 truck. So I want to make a video about how disassemble, but already disassembly everything because I don't have the right tools to do it. So it's an Adili truck. This is the parts what I have. So the worst part was to find the right size socket for the lock nut of the axle. So all I noticed, this is the lock nut. So what I know that it is 3 inches, 3/8 wide. So it's 3 inches, 3/8 wide. So this is the socket. I was calling at the dealership, but nobody was giving any information. So I did it like the way what I did it is a trick. So I make a notches right here, and I chisel it towards the left side little by little until this thing goes out. So that works really well. So there's the trick. If you guys can't find the right size of the socket, so just making a little notches and chisel it in until this shit goes out. So but I did everything to find the right size, but Harbor Freight, auto parts, but nobody was having it online. I was even know what was the real size of the socket. So better already disassemble all this shit out. So this is the seals and bearings down there. So this is the completely axle. Kind of was like pain in the ass, but I did it.